Hello everyone, my name is Sajay and I study in class 6th. Today I will explain you about contraction and expansion. Here we will take two bowls. In first bowl there is hot water. In second bowl we have ice water. Now we will attach a balloon on the bottle. Now we will take a balloon and we will attach on the bottle. Now we will put the bottle in the hot water. Now you can see the balloon is expanding. Now you can see molecules of air are expanding. Now we will put this bottle in cold bowl. Now you can see the molecules are contracting. Now you can see contraction. Thanks. Have a nice day.